Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about my dream business. So I would like to do in the future. So my name is Manyin Tan. I'm from Hong Kong, but you can call me by K. And my business will be uh, the name of gummies. So I will focus on the finished clothing. So mainly is about the, the glow dressing. So as you see that, my logo will be a skirt with the company name Gummies. And usually, so I will use the social media for my advertisement. So as we want to find the customers, since we have to pick or we have to make sure to know the target. So how what is the age of we want to find our customers? To me, so I was focusing on 18 to 35 years old girls. So they are more likely to like a old, maybe it's kind of like um, vintage clothing because as you walk down in the street, so you will see some people they will wear that. So I think dressing is more about the fashion. So fashion is always renewable. So it's always new. And for the social media, so I will pick Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So this social media is the most people they will use and visit and to watch every advertisement. So uh, who will work for us? So I don't want or if someone to have a good idea mindset, they love I love them to work with me, and they can be a good seller and then introduce all the products what we have, and or we don't need a high education person. So either one who has a good idea mindset is good for coming and in the marketing opportunity. So at the journal market focus. So we want to focus on the growth in the United States and overseas. So because we want to make a online shopping in the beginning, I hopefully yeah we will have the actual shop in the future. So my target is the age around yeah 15 to 30. So the market problem. So I think the most problem in the beginning is we need a big or a huge storage to put all the products, and especially you have to take a lot of different pictures and yeah have a model to wear it. So for that solution is yeah to guess to hire more people or to find a place that is is benefit for to find a big storage. Also, we have to develop a creative apps for that. So the apps will be like um, for this demo. So there is a some of the models they will wear the dressing, and then it will shows the price and also it shows about the size and how do you fit it. So as you can see in the app, so you will know is that fit to you or not. So we focus on our dressing is unique, so you are not to um, to wear the same dress as other people do. So we wish that every dress it should be maybe one or two or yeah pieces of the dress. So we in the whole world, just only you can wear the that kind of dress. So I think the um, competitive is very benefits for us. I know that finished clothing is not a new thing. There's some other people they do the same thing, but this is something that we can always improve if we have a competitive, competitive partner. So expensive model. So always to make a lot of advertisement. Our strategy is always communicate with with the people and how to solve the problem to ask renewable model. So in our business, we were focusing on using the credit card or Visa or yeah Mastercard. Um, so it usually makes easily to make a refund or something like that. So financial project. So I will usually take maybe 1 or 2 years to maintain the business. And this is the end of my presentation. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.